Oh, I have a good friend from Holland.
Oh yeah?
His name is Ben Van Eden.
Oh.
Uh,
Where does
my,
he come from in Holland?
huh?
Where?
In Doran.
Dolan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Beautiful garden and beautiful beach.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how look like Nusa Dua beach, exactly behind Sofitel hotel in Nusa Dua. Okay guys, so if you want to know how the beautiful Nusa Dua beach, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how the beautiful Nusa Dua beach, Bali. Inside the area, it's like private area in Nusa Dua, and there is one big resort, and the resort is connecting by Nusa Dua beach. And the beach is around here so beautiful. White sand like pearls and soft sand, and also the water is more clear because now we are at south of Bali. Okay, so if you want to know how the beautiful this beach, just make sure watch the video until the end. And now I walk around just like jogging trail nearby Sofitel hotel, and this is like a restaurant around here.
Halo Pak.
Ya, halo. Ini apa namanya Pak? Maaf ya.
Restoran Tamarin.
Oh Tamarin, tamu saya dulu dari Singapura pernah ke sini ya.
Iya Bu.
Tamu saya dari Singapura dulu pernah ke sini di Tamarin gitu, saya lupa namanya.
Oh iya, banyak sih dari Singapura.
Iya.
Ada yang waktu ini sudah saya dapat telepon dari Singapura langsung ke sini.
Itu dia.
Saya dua orang gitu. Dua orang.
Iya. Pernah ke sini bambu semua gitu. Saya lupa saat banyak kan di hotel di depan. Makasih Wak ya. Yeah, it is so beautiful in this area. This is we call Tamarin. And this is restaurant around here. Just so beautiful, isn't it? Okay, just make sure watch the video until the end because I'm walking just exactly behind few best resort in Bali and just nearby Sofitel hotel. Yeah, the beach down there, so beautiful. And in behind me, this is big resort. Hello. Hello. Hi brother.
Hi brother.
See you again brother. Yeah, it's just very nice to walk around here and see the beautiful beach and beautiful garden from the hotel, from the big resort in Nusa Dua, Bali. I want to be here, stay all the day, having lunch, and just also enjoy the beautiful view. Okay, now I will show you how the beautiful beach at Nusa Dua, Bali. Whew. But it is quite hard to leave because this week Bali almost like 32 degrees. So hard to be outside, but I just drive my customer and they are having brunch at Sofitel. Just for Sofitel, just right there actually. This is Sofitel. Okay, let me show you around here. It is beautiful, isn't it? See that? Beautiful beach, white sand. And this video, I took video around 12 p.m. So like mid of the day. So that's why the weather, actually no, it's not really sunny, but it's like humid. Because Bali now like it's in a humid time. But last month was almost everyday rain. Now, just so hot. Wow. There is people do pre-wedding photo down there. Let me show you. they do private photo. See around here, it is so beautiful, isn't it? White sand, long beach, and beautiful. See the water? Also looks so clean. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there's a lot of people around the world. They are missing Bali and they want to know the update fashion at the moment in Nusa Dua Beach, Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new fashion in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Hi brother. How are you, brother? It is very beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful resort with the gardening and also beautiful beach. And just so quiet. Yeah, and for sure I will walk around just side by the beach and I will show you how beautiful this area. See, it's very quiet and very beautiful. Very beautiful. Under the set, you can see things down there. Sofitel. Wow, quite big area until here. So from the entrance, this is still Sofitel area. So big, so beautiful. Okay, now I will walk around just beside the beach and I will show you how beautiful in this area also. White sand. You see there? Yeah, they are doing wedding photograph. It's very beautiful. Hello, how are you? Where do you come from? Oh, Russia. I have a friend from Russia, Olga. I have a friend from Russia, many friends, and her name is Olga and Kshusha. Have a good day, yeah? I just make YouTube for update session in Bali. Thank you. It's very beautiful here. Very beautiful beach. Also right there behind we have water blue. When the water splash the rock, it will be high tide. Very beautiful there. Hello. How are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Where do you come from?
Holland.
Oh, I have a good friend from Holland.
Oh yeah.
His name is Bert van Eden.
Oh.
Uh,
Where
my,
does he come from in Holland?
huh?
Where?
In Doran.
Dolan.
Yeah.
Okay.
My friend, my customer since 26 years ago,
Okay. So,
but helped me so many times. Very good heart. When the pandemic happening, they send me money because no job in Bali. But finally done the best one.
That's very nice.
Have a good day, yeah?
Thank you.
It's very beautiful here. Wow, just so nice. Okay, let's big around the cafe area first, and then I will show you around here. And this is confirmed, this area just so beautiful sand, beautiful beach, and just so nice to be here. Like in this area, in this bar, not music, so I can make video. Beautiful restaurant. This is live music. It's very beautiful, isn't it? My customer from Singapore been here, this restaurant. Ibrahim Hamid. Bapak Ibrahim. You see how beautiful this area. Just very nice. Beautiful garden and beautiful beach. Okay guys, so this is our journey today in Nusa Dua, Bali. How do you think about the beach in Nusa Dua? Just so beautiful, isn't it? Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update situation at the moment in Nusa Dua Beach, Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Beautiful.